Hey guys, so in this video we are going to check how to file the annual return. So professional tax also we have to file annual return apart from the monthly return. So come to the employer login. So give your user ID and password. So whenever you log in first time, it will ask the OTP and it will also ask to reset the password. So every time because monthly once we are login and monthly once they will ask to reset the password. So this is the one worst thing is happening, but nothing can do. So I will try to log in and password will reset, and after that again we'll log in. See, once we give the OTP and it will ask to reset the password. Once we reset the password and again we have to log in with OTP. So every time 2 times you have to get the OTP. So next time you OTP கொடுத்துட்டு click on valid. Okay guys, so once you log in you will get a dashboard like that. Here it says that no record found because this is a new financial year, that's why. So if you click on view return, so for old financial year 25-26 we filed all the returns. So from April to March return we filed. Now to file the annual return they ask few things now click on annual return filing. Now here we have to select for 25-26. Click on file original return. Fine. So here they are asking tax payable, tax paid. For example, April month I have to pay 400 rupees and I paid 400, so balance will be 0. Yeah, and the payment detail. So payment detail from the return filing printout we can get that one. Now if every month you paid same, then no problem. Say suppose in March month you have to pay 400 rupees but you paid 200 rupees. So balance 200 is there. That balance 200 we can make the payment from here also. Yeah, so that is the thing. If everything is correct, then no problem. But if any up and down is there, that payment you can pay through here. Fine. So what I can do now, let go here back. From here view print now. Here we have to take all the amount, how much amount we paid, and in print click on print and this CT number. So this everything we will copy from April to March and one by one we can fill up from that. Yeah. So let me update in Excel and we'll do the copy paste. Okay guys, so data I just copy paste copied. Now we will go to the annual return and click on file original return. Fine. So here data we have to update. Now for example 800 is there and we paid 800, balance 0 is there, and this number we can do copy paste. So like that we can do for all the cases. Yeah. So for example here 400, 200 we paid. Then balance 200 is payable. So this 100, 200 we have to, once we save here, see here you can see how much balance is payable. Yeah. So like that it will come here. But in our case we paid everything correctly, so we can update everything. Yeah. So let me copy paste this everything and after that I will show you. Okay guys, so everything is updated. Now final amount is 800 rupees. Now here again say suppose 300 you paid, 200 is balance is there. Then interest 1.5% you have to pay, then penalty also you have to pay. So say suppose 10 rupees you have to pay, then total interest also you have to pay. No, if a delay payment is there, for that also interest and penalty you have to pay. So that also you can pay with this amount itself. Yeah, but in our case nothing is there, so we are leaving. And in case say suppose in some month you file delay and you paid here 410 rupees. So that 10 rupees you no need to show anywhere. If you show here say suppose, then balance 10 rupees is payable. So that's why no need to show any interest and penalty here or above also. If here also if you type extra, then negative figure will be there. Yeah. So that's why whatever the tax amount is that only show. Interest if you paid anywhere, no need to show that one. Okay. So this is, yeah. So finally everything is looking good. Fine. So this is the final sheet, means final preparation, and finally we have to click on save. So once you save the return, a return will get submitted. Okay, so before I submit this one, let me introduce our 7 days PF and ESI challenge, which is in English. So day wise you can check it here, what are the things we are going to cover. So it is a purely related to concept clarity and return filing. So that both we are going to cover in this 7 days challenge, and the cost is 599 only. Hope you can invest in yourself. And one more thing is that taxation community, where next 365 days we will share some updates related to taxation, labor law, and new learning also. Apart from that, you will get a one e-magazine also every month. to your respective email ID. And we also conduct a Zoom session for Q&A related if anything is there. So that also will be covered. So if you are interested, you can join our taxation community where you cost only 365 days, 365 rupees, and 7 days challenge is cost you 599. So it's around 1,000 rupees for your development purpose. So hope you can invest in yourself. Fine. Coming back to our return filing. So finally everything's look good. Click on save and return. And here in case if any payment payable is there, you can click on make payment and it will go to your net banking. Through that you can make payment. But in our case there is no short payment. So simply click on submit. Once I click on submit, that's it. Click on verify and the return got filed. So click on print and this is my print copy, annual return filing. So if any payment I paid, that data will update below. Yeah. So hope you got the point how to file the annual return, professional tax annual return for Karnataka. Thank you.